he named him Joseph because his nature, his behavior was quite similar to Saint Joseph, right? Now Saint Joseph has a kind personality. He was very good with everyone, right? He was good in behavior. So the personality of the, horse and Saint Joseph was similar, and so that is why he decided to name the horse as Joseph. Okay, Perry found horse very nice, very kind and gentle. Saint Joseph was similar to the horse, so he decided to name him Joseph. Okay students, now next. Why did Jacques feel, I think these two share a secret? Now students, Jacques was the manager of the milk company. Now why he thought that they both are sharing secrets? Now when he entered to his house, right, they both were looking into each other's eyes. So by seeing that, Jacques felt that they both are sharing some secrets with each other. Okay, when Jacques found Joseph and Perry looking into each other's eyes, he felt that these two shares a secret. Okay students, now next. Was the manager satisfied with Perry's work? How can you say that? Now students, yes, the manager was very satisfied with the work of Perry. Now as Jacques was also manager, he told the top manager, means the other manager, right? He discussed with the other manager of the company that now we should retire Perry. Now we should retire Perry. Now why we should retire Perry? His work was very good, but we should retire because he was aged, right? So what they decided, the company decided to retire him, but the salary would be the same. It means he will get the salary even after the retirement. This can shows that from this we can see that the managers were very happy with Perry's work. Okay, yes, the manager was greatly satisfied, as they were very happy, so they were greatly satisfied with Perry's work, and he immediately accepted Jacques' proposal of retiring Perry, and his salary would be go on just the same, right? He'll get the same salary, and as I told you that he was good at his work. Even Joseph was helping a lot to Perry to complete his work, and so the company, the managers were so happy, so they decided to continue his salary, and from that we can say that yes, he was very good at his work. Now students, next question. Who understood Joseph and Perry? How can you say it? Now students, the manager, that is Jacques, right? He understood both of them. Right, he observed them minutely. He observed each and everything, that how they are communicating by looking into each other's eyes. Right, so he observed them minutely, and he saw that he saw that both are happy with each other and both love each other. What he saw, that both are happy with each other and both love each other. From this we can say that Joseph and Perry was understood by Jacques. Jacques understood them. Okay. Now next, what do you think could be the reason of Perry's death? How Perry died. Now as I told you that after the death of Joseph, Perry was helpless. He was in the middle of the road and he sat down and he was crying. He fell down and he was crying after the death of Joseph, as he cannot take it. He loves him, and that's why he cannot take it. And because of that, one truck that was in rush, that run off him away. Right? Now we will see. Now Perry was so much grieved by the death of his ultimate companion Joseph. As I told you, Perry was having only one companion, that is Joseph. So he was very much attached to Joseph. Okay, and that is why he could not hear the yell from the truck drivers. He could not hear anything, as he was so grieved, as he was so sad, right? So he could not hear anything, and that is why he was run over the truck, right? He was run over because of truck, and that is why he died. Okay, now next, what was the reason given by ambulance doctor for Perry's death? Now, after the death of Perry, all of the ambulance arrived, right? They checked him. After checking him, they come to know that he was having, means he was blind from last 5 years, and he was having cataracts. Cataracts are kind of eye disease. Okay, that is eye disease. Because of that, you cannot able to see the thing properly, right? You can see the blur image, but because of that, he was even blind for last 5 years, so he could not see the rushing truck coming over him. The doctor gave the reason that Perry had cataracts for last 5 years and was blind, so he could not see the rushing truck over him. Okay, students, now last question from this chapter is, what was the secret? How can you say so? Now, if I have already explained you the chapter, in that I told you that Perry was blind from last 5 years is the secret that no one was knowing, not even the company members, right? Even the company people were not knowing this, right? That he was blind, right? So that is the secret that they were knowing. That who was knowing? Only Perry and Joseph was knowing the secret, and that is why we can say that it was a secret. Perry had been blind for his cataracts for last 5 years, and nobody, not even a company member, not even the neighbors, nobody except Joseph knew about it. Okay, students, in this way we have completed the question answers of this chapter, short answers, right? Now in worksheet we are in practice worksheet we are going to solve who said to whom of both the chapter. We are going to solve match the following of the both the chapter, and we are going to write some long extra questions in practice worksheet from both the chapters. Okay, for FA1 we have to learn 2 chapters. We are going, means I am going to take 2 chapters, that is chapter number 1 and chapter number 2, that both we have completed. Now we will start with practice worksheet and then revision. Okay, students. So and in next session, as I told you, I will start with practice worksheet. Write this question answers in your notebook. Don't forget to mention today's date. Till that, keep learning, stay home, stay safe, bye bye, and